What's up, y'all? It's me, Totes, Kayla, Janelle, whatever you want to call me. Today, I am finally reviewing the Moonshine shot that I got. I got like, I want to say 5 or 6 different flavors. I'm going to test them out, let you know what I think, and we're going to go from there. Now, first things first, like I said, I did try the banana pudding one, and it was great, 10 out of 10. I chilled these for a little bit. This one is the apple pie flavor. So let's give it a go. No chaser, and if you know me, you know I'm a weakling. Okay. Now, it's definitely giving apple. It gives more applesauce though, but 7 out of 10 because I can taste the apple for sure. Now, let me turn this heater off. Getting hot. I don't know what blackberries taste like naturally, but I'm going to assume it's close to a raspberry. I'm hoping, but this is blackberry. Now, if you see my face turned up, it's because, of course, it's still moonshine, and of course, I still taste it, but it's easy. This tastes just like some cranberry juice. 6 out of 10. Now, this one, I'm absolutely terrified, okay? Terrified. Mountain Java. I'm not a coffee fan, and if I do have coffee, it tastes like a milkshake. I'm not even a smell test person, but I need to see what I'm getting into as far as coffee flavor, because I will throw up on this camera. Okay, it doesn't smell too much like coffee. Shut me up. This tastes just like some chocolate milk. 10 out of 10. No liquor in it. No way. All right, folks. Next up, we have Hunch Punch. Ooh. Okay. Now, I'm not sure what to expect, but I hope it's like a fruit punch vibe. Tropical something. Oh, it smells like cough syrup.
No!
Now, it's not nasty, but I can't get the lid on. It's not nasty. It just definitely gives cough medicine. NyQuil. 2 out of 10. All right, folks. It's kicking in. My insides are warm. Next, we have the butter pecans. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. I got to keep it real because y'all my people. I sipped it. Okay, I sipped it. When I sipped the banana pudding one, I sipped it. And I have to tell you, this mother pecan tastes just like a vanilla milkshake. I kid you not. Like flavor, 100 out of 10. The smoothness of it all, 100 out of 10. This is before the official taste. Because before it was a little sip. It's giving me Starbucks. Let me go get a coffee. I'm spiking it with this. 10 out of 20,000 out of 10. Get this one. Butter pecan. Get it. I'm telling you. Now that we have ended our taste testing journey, please let me know which flavors you've had, which ones you don't like, which ones you can't wait to try. And then when you do try it, let me know your opinion because I love hearing people's opinions once I put them onto something. Shop multihustlebrand.com. Team Totes. Get your hoodies. And yeah, until next time.